Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going up.
Wow. It's already falling apart, even though it was only replaced in 2021.
Level 3. Doors opening.
Lift's only 4 years old and it's already falling apart.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down.
That's not good at all. Quantum lift services, you should be ashamed of yourselves for maintaining it like that.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going up.
If you can look in properly, you see it's still loose.
Car park level 3. Doors opening.
But Quantum have done something to this.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
Look, it's still, however,
Going
they haven't
down.
done a great job. Still really loose at bottom.
Car park level 1. Doors opening. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going up.
At least it's better than what it was like when I was here last, because that whole thing was loose.
Car park level 3. Doors opening. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down.
You see, look how loose that is. Not acceptable whatsoever
Car park level
for a lift
1.
that's 4 years
Doors
old.
opening.